In finance and economics, hysteresis describes how past events continue to influence the present, even after the original cause has disappeared. The term comes from physics, but it is a vital concept for understanding why markets and labor forces don't always bounce back perfectly. When a recession lasts long enough, workers lose skills or connections. Even when the economy recovers, these individuals struggle to re-enter the workforce. Hysteresis helps us understand why a temporary shock can lead to permanent changes in how our economy functions. Most materials bounce right back, but hysteresis is the strange phenomenon where a material remembers its past and stays changed long after the force stops. While a standard recovery aims to hit 100%, a system affected by hysteresis often settles at a lower, new equilibrium. Recognizing this helps investors and policymakers realize that some changes require more than just time to heal. Understanding these hidden forces makes you a more informed observer of the markets. Like and subscribe for more money basics.